Hello, my name is John from Fine & Country in Braunton, and today we're at the studio here in Saunton on the amazing ridge looking over the beach. It's an unbelievable property. It's secret, it's disclosed, and you really wouldn't know it's here unless you were looking. Let's take a look inside. Here we are in the most impressive part of this property, this stunning open plan living space. As you can see, you've got floor to ceiling windows looking out over Saunton's golden sands. You've got plenty of space for a large dining table for friends and guests. Fantastic lounge suite, and for those winter cozier nights, you've got the wood burner. To the rear of this really impressive space is this kitchen, which as you can see is fully equipped with all the high-end appliances that you need, from wine cooler, fridge, integral ovens, hob with a fitted extractor as well, and a lovely social breakfast bar and slate worktops. There's two large comfortable bedrooms to this property with fantastic facilities, including in the main bedroom where we're standing now, with unbelievable views, a roll-top single standard bath, and an ensuite toilet behind with fitted wardrobes. They really are a comfortable space to be in, with vaulted ceilings for a sense of real space. The garden space really is a lovely sociable area. It flows naturally from the inside, and as you can see, unbelievable vistas, perfect place to sit out and enjoy. And just below is another lawn with a wash area, perfect for when you come off the beach to rinse off the sand before you go back into your exquisite home to relax. Saunton is an incredibly popular location. It's just 5 minutes out from Braunton Village, and it's a much more secluded, private and relaxed atmosphere to other beaches nearby, such as Croyd and Overlooking. It's got a 3-mile stretch of golden sand, backed by rugged dunes and protected Braunton burrows. If you're a keen surfer, it's in the surf reserve for the UK, and it's also got a fantastic golf course nearby, Saunton Golf Club, which has 2 top 100 UK golf courses and is a real challenge for all abilities. Some may even say it offers some of the best links course available in the UK. The property is fantastically perched with walking distance and steps leading down through into the beach, where there's a beachside restaurant available as well, if you didn't fancy cooking or retreating to your own facilities here. One of the things I really do love about the studio is how secluded it is. It sits roadside, almost unnoticeable until you step down into the stunning accommodation that it has to offer. It really is a piece of secrecy and discretion, something that most people that live in the highly sought after area of Saunton are looking for. Whilst it has a restricted use to it, it still makes a fantastic lock up and leave, staycation place, and somewhere to escape the busy life that sometimes you can have. And there we have it. That completes the video tour here for the studio in Saunton. It's a remarkable opportunity for someone to acquire a beautiful second home here in Saunton on the popular coastline. Give us a call on 01271 818 121 for more information.